Daddy, okay, you see, this is the water standing on our way when we are going to my compound. You see, where are we living? Under this castle tree. You see, this is the water. This is our highway going to our compound. You never know, our house is under this castle, under this tree. As you can see, check the highway, all flow on water. You see, as you can see, all the highway is flowing in water. When you are going, you need to be very careful of yourself. If not, look at the way. Look at here, and you see the water flow everywhere. It's not even safe, as you can see. This is my environment. You need help from anyone. As you know, look at the flow. Look at how we normally step in to get in the house. You see, you need to step in like this. You jump up, go in. You see. Okay, as you can see the room. Here is where we normally take our shower. You see, it's the place where we normally take our shower. Here is the back door. You see the room, as you know. You see, look at the place. This hole, as you can see, is get inside the room. See this hole? It is going straight inside the room. Yeah, but we don't have any help to seal this room, this hole, you know. We need all your help for the sake of God, and we can be available to repair and live a better life as we deserve it.